Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make these two lovelies. So first thing to do is to cut out this piece. I had 4 there, so 10 by 10. You can see it's 2 here and it's actually 2 over there, but I've already folded it and that is why it's looking that way. So if you count it to be 4 because it's on fold. So next thing to do now is to get the mid point of this, which is 5. And I'll do the same on this one. Then I'll be taking 1 inch by the sides, 1 inch. Please don't use a straight ruler. So as you can see, where I'm marking this 1 inch is the side that is not folded. Open it up, this is what it looks like, and it's front facing front. So you just have to put them together this way and sew all the way. So right now I am to mark out the 1 inch where I want the line to show. So you can mark 1.5, you can mark 2 inches depending on what you want, but for this video I'll be marking 1 inch. Then I'm folding what I've already sewn just to give it that line. I'll be sewing on 0.5 inch. So I'm done sewing it and I'm cutting out the excess, because if you have this excess and you iron, you will notice that it will be popping or showing. So I'm cutting out the excess, then I'll iron when I am done. Let's go, you keep seeing. So this is what it looks like when I iron it to be more flat. So remember, we are working with 1 inch and I am actually positioning it to the 1 inch line. So if you mark 1.5, you still have to position it over there where you have your 1.5. So I'll be placing the other one that is acting as a lining front to front to the other one this way. At this point you just have to pin down. Go to the machine and sew it this way. So I'm done sewing it. You can see where the black thread shows. That's exactly how you sew it. Then I notched, flip over this way. You can see what I'm doing. So after that, just add a gum stay. Add as much as gum stay you want to add, so that it will really relax. Then give it a hot press So this is what it looks like. Next thing to do is to just sew it and close the down part. And here it is.